Here's a 6-inch Harbor Breeze Explor. So I got long and wide. It's in the living room doorway. It's my belly even. It's got a light.
The blue bag.
That's the toy blade, and it wasn't a 2 blade. It wasn't a 2 broken a long time ago. The petroleum motor is gone, but it's on my Hunter, Sicky. Oh, it's over there, I think. And my other ones, Oshio, Himalaya, Tobinets, and plus over here. And it's by the toy over here. No, hallway door.
Stop. Stop there.
That's the top of the motor. It's got a wall there, but it's a 12-inch standby. So it's hanging on the high doorway tape. It's got really cool blades on it. That's a McDonald's grill. The fans used to be there. Let it rip the paint off, but put it right here, right under the sink. Some of them were under that little things, the Oshio and the Himalaya, and that topping it and not topping it, and that and plus under the sink. Here's that fan over here. I'm gonna spin it. Does spin. It does torque a little bit, a tiny bit. Cause the tape, I can see it torquing. But this here fan has got a Sicky motor, a Hunter Sicky. It's yellow. That's a Hunter Sicky motor. This is Harbor Breeze Explor. You can see it's really, the damn one is so long. See how long it is? It's 12 or 13 inches, I think. Or I think it's 20 inches. But it's so long. The high doorway. See how high it is? That's why I don't know long that one. Some of them over there has a short that one. That one, and that one. That was the long there one. That's why it's up here. That was a short one. That was on a pole chain. It's from Harbor Breeze Ensign. Here, back to this fan. It is a reverse pitch still. I just want to have a great day.